Hey guys, it's Lizette from Crochet Designs, and I'm going to show you how to do a foundation chain instead of a regular chain start. I'm using my Twigalina pattern for this demonstration, and we're going to be using it to make this bottom grass part on her little tree stump. So starting with a normal slip knot, get that on your hook, and then you chain two. So 1, 2, and instead of just continuing to chain, you insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, pull up a loop, chain 1 through that first one, chain 2 through both loops on your hook. Okay, so let's do that again. Do your slip knot, chain 2, insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, so the first one, pull up a loop, pull through one loop, pull through the 2 loops that are left. So here's the top part where you would normally, the little V that gets created on the top of every stitch. We're not going to go into that at all. So you're actually going to flip it upside down, and you go into these 2 loops that you created at the bottom. Pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2. So now we have 2 on the top. And then again, here's the top, flip it upside down, here's the bottom, go through that second little 2 loops at the bottom, pull through, and then pull through 1, pull through 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3 foundation chains made. The difference from foundation chains and regular chains is that it's thicker and it tends to stretch better. But the reason for my specific pattern that we're doing this is we just need a thicker piece to be able to brush the yarn, because we don't need a lot to make the little grass at the bottom. So again, let's continue. So we've done 3, 1, 2, 3, and those are the normal V's that you see at the top of stitches. Flip it upside down. And now we're going to go through this V at the bottom. So you should always have 2 that you're going through. And then pull up a loop. You have 2 on your hook. Pull through 1, pull through 2. And again, here's the top. Here's the bottom. Go through those 2 bottom loops. Pull through 1, pull through 2. I'll do a couple more. Through the bottom, pull up a loop, and pull through 1, pull through 2. So you're gonna do that 65 times if you're following my pattern. And that's how you do a foundation chain.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?